Hey guys, it's me, Cherry Blossom, and today I'm going to be showing you my little vending machine. Looks like this. I used a shoot box and a cereal box. But yeah, so hold on, let me just get a quarter. It's in the back. Yeah. This is very hard. Okay, got it. Okay guys, so now I have my little, hold on, I have to get it for you. My little vending machine looks like this. The quarter in here. And then you pull this slit to get your prize. And then you open this to get your prize. And then in the back you can just get your quarters from this little box. So let's show you that, I guess. So let's plant this right here. And I'm gonna put my laptop away. So I'm gonna put down the vending machine. Can you guys see? So I'm gonna put in my quarter, pull the slit, and you might have to shake it a bit. Hold on, guys. I have to shake it a bit to get my prize. Done. It's not working. Obviously, when I make videos, it doesn't work. But yeah, I put all sorts of little prizes like army men, Zolfs, and lots of other things. I had to fix it fast. So yeah, I'm done. So after you get your prize out, which is a little tricky, it's like an actual claw machine. You put your hand in the little thingy and get your prize. My prize was this little soldier thingy. I don't know, he's carrying another soldier. I just put that back in to the top. Slit, well, not really slit, but open. And yeah, so next you can just get your quarter back. That sounded like I was talking about football, but no. You can get your quarter back. And then over there is just like a wall to keep the prizes and the money separate, so you don't have to go digging for your prize. But yeah, so that is my vending machine, and I will be uploading more now because I've gotten my iPod back because I couldn't find it. So yeah, bye.